Hey everyone, welcome back. Bilal here, and today we are going to talk about something super simple but really important for every coder: comments in Kotlin. Let's jump right in. So, what are comments? Comments are basically notes that you add to your code to explain what it does. These notes are completely ignored by the Kotlin compiler, so they don't affect your program's execution. They are just there to help you and other developers to understand the code better. So basically, there are three kinds of comments we use in Kotlin. First one is single line comments, the other one is multi-line comments, and the third one is nested comments. So I'm going to talk about each type one by one. So let's see through an example. So first I'm going to talk about the single line comments. So in Kotlin, single line comments are written using two forward slashes, and everything after these slashes on that line will be treated as a comment. So this is a single line comment, and let's see here. I declare a variable here, and I'm going to give it a value, and I'm going to print this value. Let's define a function first. Okay, so what this line is going to do is this line will print my name. So this is how you can add a single line comment. So basically you can use them to explain a specific line of code, leave a quick note for yourself or other developers. So let's talk about the multi-line comments. Now if you need to write a longer explanation or comment multiple lines, you can use multi-line comments. So these starts with single forward slash and end with like this. So I'm going to write this a multi-line comment, and it can span multi-lines. Okay, so this is how you can use the multi-line comments. So multi-line comments basically are useful when you need to explain something in more detail, like how a specific function or a block of code works. So let's talk about the nested comments now. So here is something cool about Kotlin. You can nest multi-line comments inside each other. This can be useful when you are debugging or temporarily disabling a large section of code that already has comments. So if I have to make it a nested comment, so this is how I can nest specific part of the code like this. So as you can see, Kotlin supports nesting comments within comments. Wrap up, here are a couple of best practices for writing comments. First, make sure your comments are clear and concise. Don't over explain obvious things. Second, keep your comments updated. If you change your code, update the comments so they can still make sense. And that's it for comments in Kotlin. They are simple but super important for making your code easier to read and maintain. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Kotlin tips. See you in the next one. Before we